Hi everyone, this is Sandhya. Welcome to our art and craft channel. Today we are using standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, vowels, circles, curved lines. Then lines using these things I am going to make an object with these lines. Now start. We have to draw rectangle. Before I am going to say, I want to say you something. That is, so many children are rectangle, they are draw directly. It is wrong method. The correct step is first we have to draw sleeping lines, standing lines, join these lines. Now our rectangle is perfect. Some people are direct, they are like this doing. That is wrong. Every time you have to draw step by step. Sleeping lines, slanting lines. We are going to convert as a book. Sleeping lines, slanting lines, then convert the book. How to? Small curves, again sleeping lines, curved lines, then join. Make a book. Like we are using standing lines, sleeping lines, curves, make a kite, house, etc. Like again slanting lines. See, slanting lines, again reverse slanting line, curve line, triangle shape. Now straight line. Step by step we are using, that is coming perfect shape. Sleeping line, slanting line, both sides, again reverse slanting line, then after these two slanting lines join, again straight lines, sleeping line, small standing lines, make a door. Here slanting line, join the straight line, again small one standing line, join the line, circle, small circle. Here zigzag lines, small zigzag lines. Every day we want to practice 100 times, 10, 15 times, also 10, 15, 100 times, more than you have to time. Then practice slanting, sleeping lines, curve, vowels, like vowels 10 times, 100 times. Move your hand freely. Circles, like this. Now I will show. Now to convert the vowel shape as a brinjal. First we want to draw vowel shape. Then these two lines don't join. Then after small curved lines, this both side, in the middle also. Then small curved lines. Then became brinjal. Using curved lines, make an apple. Curved lines both sides, first step. Then in a down, little curved line. Then upper part also like that, curved line, small curved line, then stem, leaf, straight line, then curved lines. If you vowels, circles, curved lines every day we have to practice, then more than object is coming perfect shape. Then one more example also we will say. Glass also slanting lines and curved lines is there. Now I will start curved lines, slanting line, then down also small curved line. Inside lightly we have to draw effects in a water. Now one more time I will revise everything. Then practice sleeping line 10 to 100 times, standing line, then slanting line, reverse standing line, slanting, vowels, circles, zigzag, clouds, again standing, sleeping, slanting lines, both curved lines, then half circles, brackets, upper curve, lower curves. These are things every day you have to time. Then watching TV time, that time also you have to practice circles, vowels, zigzags, sleeping lines, clouds. These all everything to practice do. Thank you for my watching video.